What is going on, everyone? Got a video here to share with all of you on how to turn on and off the flashlight on the iPhone 11. So there's a few different ways you can do it, and one of my favorites is using Siri because sometimes my hands are full and I can't touch the screen. Hey Siri. Turn on the flashlight.
It's on.
Hey Siri. Turn off the flashlight.
It's off.
Another kind of funny way you can do that is if you're back to the lock screen here or your phone's kind of like in that mode. Hey Siri. Turn on the torch.
It's on.
Hey Siri. Turn off the torch.
It's off.
I thought that one was kind of funny. So another way you can do it is you can toggle this little flashlight down here on, or you can toggle that off. If you're at the home screen, you can swipe down in the control center and you can actually toggle the flashlight on and off right in there. And if you actually press that and long press it, you can actually turn up the brightness of the flashlight. So that's just a few different ways you can mess around with the flashlight there using your iPhone. Mine is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Hey Siri. Turn off the torch.
It's off.
Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.